Fusion Shenlan Digital Equipment Co., Limited, was established in 2014. It is a technology-based enterprise that focuses on the R&D, production and sales of DTG white ink direct printing, T-shirt direct printing machine, denim direct printing machine, printing and embroidery integrated printing machine, process combined flatbed machine, elliptical industrial digital machine, and more application solutions. The company's products have obtained a number of patents and brand intellectual property rights. It is widely used in clothing, home textiles, shoes, bags, handbags, handicrafts, etc. Our company has many years of practical experience in DTG white ink direct printing, coatings, reactive printing, mass production, and motor supporting solutions. Let customers avoid detours and help customers win greater business opportunities. We have successfully established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with many partners and enjoy a very high reputation among our customers. It has successfully held more than 30 trade fairs. Its equipment has been exported to more than a dozen countries and has been highly recognized by customers. Our company has always adhered to the business purpose of providing simple, practical, cost-effective products to customers and helping customers make profits. Shenlan and its global partners work together to pioneer the DTG digital era, allowing digital to replace tradition and technology to change life.